Welcome my dear 6th standard students. We learn chapter number 2 Angles. Today we are going to learn part number 2 an angle bisector. An angle bisector. Let's recall. आपल्या कंपास पेटीतील साधनांची ओळख करून घेऊया. This is scale, ruler म्हणजेच मोजपट्टी. मोजपट्टीने आपण रेषा काढतो. नेक्स्ट दिस इज कंपास. वी ड्रॉ सर्कल, आर्क. नेक्स्ट इंस्ट्रूमेंट protractor. Using this instrument we draw angles. Next instrument set squares. Look at the two set squares. Observe their angles. See how they can be used to draw angles of 90 degree, 30 degree, 60 degree and 45 degree. The instrument shown alongside is the divider. It is used to measure the distance between 2 points. To do so, a scale also has to be used along with the divider. Next, we draw an angle bisector. An angle bisector म्हणजे कोन दुभाजक. Try this म्हणजे हे करून पहा. Take a sheet of tracing paper. Draw an angle of any measure on it. Fold the paper so that the arms of angles fall on each other. What does the fold do? Observe that the fold divides the angles into two equal parts. This fold is the bisector of an angle. Take a point A and B on the arms of angle at equal distance from the vertex. Now take a point C, P, T on the bisector of the angles. Measure the distance of each these points from the point A and B. Note that each of the points on the bisector is equidistant from the point A and B. म्हणजेच C, P, T हे तीनही बिंदू A आणि B या बिंदूपासून समान अंतरावर आहेत. First, to draw an angle bisector using a compass. म्हणजे कंपासचा वापर करून आपण कोन दुभाजक काढूया. Using this geometrical instrument for bisector. First diagram is angle ABC. First step, we draw arc from point B and name it point P and Q. Now place the point of compass at P and taking a convenient distance, draw an arc inside an angle. Using the same distance, draw another arc inside the angle from the point Q to cut the previous arc. Name the point of intersection as point O. Now draw ray BO. Ray BO is the bisector of angle ABC. Measures angle ABO and OBC. They are equal measures. Now we draw the bisector of angle ABC. I use here geometrical instruments, compass, protractor and scale. First, I draw ray BC. Ray BC, origin point B, vertex B and ray BC. Then draw next ray AB. Next ray from origin B, AB. This is angle ABC. So next we construct bisector using compass. I draw one arc. Cut the rays BA and BC. Name the points of intersection as P and Q. Place the point of compass on B and draw arc inside angle. Next, place point of compass point Q and next arc intersection point name O. Then joint BO. Ray BO is the bisector of angle ABC. Ray BO in bisector of angle ABC. And next step, I give measurement of angle OBC and angle ABO. Angle ABC 60 degree and angle OBC, I take measurement of angle OBC is 30 degree and angle ABO, see this protractor, ABO is 30 degree. In this way, we draw bisector of an angle ABC. Second construction is to draw an obtuse angle bisector using a compass. म्हणजे विशाल कोनाचा कोन दुभाजक काढणे. Draw bisector of angle PQR 110 degree. Here I use three geometrical instruments. First, I take scale and draw one ray QR. O is the vertex. Then I measurement 110 degree angle. 110 degree. Mark this point and use scale and draw one ray from vertex Q. Make this angle PQR 110 degree. This is obtuse angle. Then I take compass and put a point on Q and draw one arc to cut rays QP and QR. Then name the points, intersection point A and B. Then taking convenience measurement on compass and draw two arcs from point A and point B. Intersection point, named intersection point O. Now draw ray QO. QO is ray. Ray QO is bisector of angle PQR. Then I measurement these two angles. First angle is OQR. OQR is 55 degree and angle PQO, I taken measurement, angle PQO is 55 degree. In this way, we construct bisector of an angle PQR. Next construction is to construct an angle equal in measure to given angle using a compass and ruler. म्हणजेच दिलेल्या कोना एवढा कोन काढणे. दिलेल्या कोना एवढ्या मापाचा कोन काढणे. Look at the given angle ABC in the figure. Draw angle PQR equal in measures to ABC. First step is place the compass point at vertex B of angle ABC and Taking a convenient distance, draw an arc to cut the rays BA and BC at points D and E respectively. Next step is draw one ray QR. Next, using same distance again, place the compass point on Q of ray QR and draw an arc. Let this arc cut the ray QR and name it T. Now place the point of compass at point E and open compass to distance equal DE. Now place the compass point on the point T. Using the distance equal to DE, draw an arc to cut the previous arc at S. Draw the ray QS. Take any point P on the ray QS. Then using protractor, verify that the angle PQR so formed is of the same measure of angle ABC. In this way, we construct an angle measure to given angle using compass and ruler. Let's see how to draw. To construct an angle equal measure in the given angle, I draw angle ABC. Angle ABC. Next step, I draw ray and name it EF. EF. Then I take a compass and convenient distance. Draw an arc, cut the ray of BA and BC and name points D and E. Using same distance again, place the compass point on B. Compass point on B of ray EF and let arc cut ray T. And next step, I take a measurement BD and cut the arc and name it S. Name the point S. And draw ray ES. Next, draw ray ES. In this way, using protractor, verify angle DEF. First, measurement first angle ABC. Angle ABC measurement is 60 degree and angle DEF measurement is 60 degree. In this way, we construct an angle equal in measure to given angle. अशा प्रकारे आपण दिलेल्या कोना एवढा कोन काढू शकतो. नेक्स्ट, प्रॅक्टिस सेट 3. Question 1. Use the proper geometrical instrument to construct the following angles. Use the compass and ruler to bisect them. First, 50 degree, 115 degree, 18 degree and 90 degree. Next activity, try this for angle bisector. First, construct an angle bisector to obtain an angle of 30 degree. First, construct an angle ABC of measure 60 degree. Use a compass and ruler to bisect angle ABC. What is the measure of each angle so formed? Verify using protractor. Second, construct an angle bisector to draw an angle of 45 degree. Draw two intersecting lines perpendicular to each other. Construct an angle bisector to get an angle of 45 degree. इथे 2 रचना करण्यास सांगितलेल्या आहेत. कोन दुभाजकाची रचना करून 30 अंश मापाचा कोन काढा. दुसरं, कोन दुभाजकाची रचना करून 45 अंश मापाचा कोन काढा. So students, try given activities and solve practice set 3. Thanks my dear students. Stay home, stay safe and study regular.